Is it working?
Is it working right?
Hey guys, I'm here with the folks from Lectric eBikes, talking about the Lectric XP. I'm so focused on this bike because you guys have, sounded off in the forums asking about it. We're having tacos, almost done with this. We're gonna look at the warehouse next.
Yeah.
And I just wanted to ask, first of all, shout out to Beverly. She's got this We're talking about all the cool stories and stuff. I want to hear what questions you guys have. Just leave a comment. We're gonna go check out the warehouse next. Sweet. I'm just gonna film this since we're meeting. So that's Jed. He's the storyteller. Wait, there's Jed.
Yeah.
Hey, buddy. And then that's your dad. That's Brent that we were just talking to. So this is so cool. It's like a family business.
Exactly.
And then your brother Micah is gonna come down.
Yes, sir.
So take us around. Who else we got here?
Yeah, so we got Christian here.
Nice to meet you, man. What's your role? What do you do?
Customer service specialist.
Customer CSR. Rock on, dude. This is the guy you're gonna be calling if there's a problem with that.
Oh, yeah.
What's your name?
My name's Ryan.
Ryan? Hey, was I talking to you? Yeah. That's Ryan? I talked to Ryan. Someone named Ryan. Wait a minute, is that one of your bikes here? Is this top secret?
Yeah. That's just a
Prototype. Sweet. How about you?
Birthday girl Lauren.
Oh, happy birthday, Lauren. Is that what that's all about up there?
Yesterday, yes.
Dang, look at you getting a bike for your birthday, or?
Am I?
Tony's working on the phone.
Oh, he's like super busy.
Oh, he's in the zone.
I'm just gonna give Tony a little highlight. Oh yeah, there you go. Getting him in the shots. And who's this?
I'm Luke.
Hey Luke, nice to meet you. You look like the most senior person around here with the collar, and everyone else has like Lectric e-bike shirts.
Yep.
What's your role here?
I'll be helping out with the showroom once we start building that out. So.
Okay.
So he's actually kind of in charge of converting a part of our building into the showroom and everything. So it's down there, but
let's go check it out. Can we check? I want to see the.
Super exciting.
Thanks, you guys. I mean, everyone in there looked pretty young.
Yeah. So this area here is actually going to have this wall knocked down, and this whole area is going to be opened up into a showroom.
When did you guys start? Like, when did Lectric eBikes? Am I saying that? I want to say Lectric XP because that's what everyone's talking about.
Right.
No, Lectric eBikes. We just kicked off. The selling May 31st, and
of 2019.
Of 2019.
Dang.
Yeah. So,
was that with your first model? Because you had like 2 bikes.
Yeah. So the first model, we really didn't get much turning on it. So we brought it out, we put it out there, and then it sat, and we didn't.
At least. Yeah. Thanks for your honesty.
No,
right?
No, we like to be transparent about it because we put that bike out there and it really didn't sell at all. And we were going to all these trade shows, but
is that the one you're giving Lauren the free bike for her birthday?
We give all of our employees that one for
but we learn from our mistakes, right?
100%. We put it out there, and we just learned at trade shows what people actually wanted in their bike, and then we just re-hit the drawing board and then kind of did a relaunch of the company May 30th, and instantly the bike kind of just went going. And
well, is that when you joined? Because Robbie, you have a background in engineering, and you guys have been to China like 9 times now.
Yeah.
And you're only like, what, 23, 24 or something? So this is your entrepreneurship, business background, engineering, and you're just like making it happen.
Right.
So is that when he got involved, the bike got a little better?
100%.
Rock on.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, I do my best.
Yeah. Right? Takes a team.
Yeah.
No, so being able to collaborate, and just he stays very strong on a lot of his core beliefs of what should be in an electric bike. He did not compromise on a lot of areas where he's like, we have to have a name brand part here. We have to have an LG battery. He would not give up.
Well, and I heard he was visiting some website to learn more about e-bikes. What was that website called?
ElectricBikeReview.com.
Yeah, sweet. And that's how I found out about you guys, because people are on the forum saying like, really need to check this bike out. Can you make a forum so we can talk about it? And I was like, okay, we got to figure this out. So we got in touch about that. But you're clearly listening to your customers as well.
100%.
And that's why I wanted to do this like pre-review video so you guys could ask questions, give your feedback and stuff, because it seems like you guys really take it to heart, and you're iterating rapidly. You're already working on other bikes. It sounds like. Of course, always like updating and stuff too.
Yep.
Exactly.
Already designing future editions, but also whatever whatever we can hear and learn from our customer, we want to do. So customers started putting out, I would like faster response time. So then we opened up emails to 7 days a week, and now we are staggering our workers' hours so we can be open earlier and open later in the day. So like we're trying to do everything we can so we can get our response time done.
I mean, your team is pretty big for being less than a year old.
Oh my goodness, yeah. We went through those growing pains of there was just really us two and my dad just doing emails.
And it's so nice to have like a senior member who's like kind of giving some perspective or wisdom in those moments.
It's much needed. It's a necessity, really. You need someone like that. But yeah, we just have that collaborative environment where we're just trying to learn as much as we can and learn as much as we can from our customers.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's the thing. It seems like you're able to tap into an audience here that's really excited about the bikes.
He loves that.
And then iterate, and your price is really great. So people who might not otherwise be able to afford, or they'd have to do something direct online where it's like maybe no real customer support. So when you talk about 7 days a week, email, I mean, that's pretty good. Do you have like a warranty on your stuff too?
Yeah, year-long warranty, and we are really just we just want to give the customer the best experience, not just through the process of purchasing it, but through the whole process of owning their bike, right? It doesn't stop at checkout. It's a relationship that we hope to continue on, because if we can do that well, then we have a customer advocate who's going to help us grow. And that's what it all comes down to.
You talked about design, at lunch we were like eating tacos and got the creative juices flowing. You said we have some designs and stuff like that. Yeah. So, I mean, people have been interacting on the forums and stuff about, have you shared some of these designs? You want to like showcase anything cool behind the scenes?
Not quite yet. We're still gathering intel.
Still working on it?
Yeah, still working on it.
We're under a month away from starting to put a little teasers and tidbits out there for some major feedback.
Yeah.
We're extremely excited because as versatile as our bike is right now, and as great it is for so many of our customers, there's still some segments where people may be feeling left out, and we want to be able to get them on a bike and get them to join our team here.
Yeah, and make good decisions about like whatever bike you're launching next. I mean, it seems like this one's really struck a chord. People like it, and that's a clear difference from your first bike. Like I don't know anything about really any of the bikes yet. I came like completely fresh. I've seen the Lectric XP, but I wanted to get firsthand feedback. Do you want to do any more show and tell of like the showroom or anything? We're going to look at the bike tomorrow. So
this is about to be opened up and turned into a showroom, but
nice. This is VIP, baby.
Right.
Yeah. So,
look at 2 microwaves. Whose idea was this? Is this for Pizza Thursdays? Happen?
A lot of pizzas coming through.
Right.
I'm gonna have to. Yeah.
There we go. Whoa! Did you just do that from your phone?
Yeah.
Dude, so sophisticated.
The people we got this building from did audio and security systems and everything.
Smart homes.
This place is completely decked out, but. Yeah, it's kind of crazy because we were working out of about 300 square feet when we launched in May. So, that's what we were working with at that time. And now, our total building is nearly, 8,000 square feet.
Wow.
So, yeah, it's really cool.
Big enough for a basketball hoop.
Yeah. That helps relieve.
Why don't you show everybody how you can dunk?
Yeah, right? I heard about this, right?
You can dunk
You just need to lower it like 6 spaces, right?
Yeah.
You even got a forklift. That's sweet.
Yeah.
It's actually our neighbors. We already have buddies in the neighborhood. We bought the scissor lift. It's a great bargaining chip. So we're like, anybody need to use a scissor lift? Anytime, just call me up.
This is really clean, guys. It's nice.
Thank you. Yeah.
Hey, do you know you had the media come in? Is that how everything's looking top notch?
No, that's more Robbie just being himself.
I'm a very clean person, I'll admit it.
It's the engineer, right? Love that.
So this is kind of just a bonus space, so it's still growing.
Is this where you guys live, in the back room there, saving costs?
Seriously, we've been talking about converting.
Well, I don't know if you want to say that on camera. Is that against those? Little backdrop for your photos and stuff.
Well, this is actually where Rob does his Lectric service center videos. So,
Oh, cool.
So we have, like Levi was saying, you know, it doesn't stop at checkout, right? We want to support our customers all the way through owning the bike and everything. So we're working on building out, you know, a video library where there's a first ride video where it's like, here's, you know, when you get your bike, what do you do? How do you prepare for that
Here's
first
what to
ride?
expect.
Exactly. How to do some basic maintenance and repairs and stuff like that. So we're working on building that out, and it's been going awesome. So it's a real treat for me.
Great job. Yeah, you're a great communicator too. So.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate that. Yes.
Hollywood over there.
Yeah. Right.
Right.
This is some fancy getup right here.
Right.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Well, it seems like we've gotten the tour. I want to look out the window again. Thanks for bringing me down from cold Canada to get this like blue sky, not a cloud in the sky up here, you guys.
Yeah.
I think if that's it for you guys, I just wanted to like sign off on the video and say, again, this is a little special behind the scenes pre-review video. If you have any questions or things that you want to hear about or see on the review, chime in right away because I'm going to do that tomorrow. And yeah, again, questions for these guys. The forums have been a really popular area.
Yeah.
And that's really cool. It's neat to see the community. We care about them. You guys care about them too. And I'm excited for tomorrow. So rock on.
Good deal.
Stellar.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Yeah.